In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix toolbar missing in Google Sheets. If you open a Google Sheet and suddenly can't see the toolbar, don't worry. This is usually caused by a display setting rather than a serious problem, and in most cases, it only takes a few seconds to fix. I'll walk you through the quickest ways to bring it back so you can get back to editing your spreadsheet normally. First, go to your Google Sheet. Open the spreadsheet where the toolbar is missing and make sure you're on the sheet where you notice the issue. This helps you confirm exactly what part of the interface has disappeared before trying any fixes. If your toolbar is completely missing, your sheet is most likely in full screen mode, or the toolbar has been temporarily minimized. The fastest fix is to use a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift and F at the same time. On a Mac, press Command, Shift and F. This shortcut toggles the full screen style view in Google Sheets and usually restores the toolbar instantly. If that doesn't work right away, or if you're not sure whether full screen mode is the cause, try pressing the Escape key on your keyboard. In many cases, Escape will exit the current viewing mode and bring the toolbar back. This is a simple extra step that's worth trying because it only takes a moment and often solves the issue immediately. Now, if the main menu is still visible at the top, meaning you can still see items like File, Edit, and View, but the row of tools and icons underneath is hidden, then the problem is a little different. In that case, look toward the top right corner of your Google Sheet. You should see a small drop-down arrow or an upward pointing arrow. Click that icon to unhide the toolbar and restore the full set of tools. This is the option you'll want to use when only the icons are missing, but the menu bar is still there. It's a common situation, especially if the toolbar was collapsed by accident while working. Once you've done that, your full toolbar should be visible again, including all the formatting and editing tools you normally use. If the issue happens again later, just remember these quick fixes. Use the keyboard shortcut, press Escape, or click the arrow in the top right if only the icons are hidden. That's how to fix a missing toolbar in Google Sheets quickly and easily.